Imagine holding the power of an entire data center in your backpack. Not a fantasy, not a future dream. Right now in 2025, that's reality. 9 years ago, NVIDIA built the first AI supercomputer for OpenAI. It weighed more than 130 pounds, cost $129,000, and helped create the very first ChatGPT. Fast forward to today, Jensen Huang just delivered a 6-pound, $3,999 cube called the DGX Spark that matches that same compute power. And what this means for you, whether you're a developer, founder, or automation consultant, is massive. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Wilton Rogers, also known as the Automation Guy. For the past decade, I've helped businesses streamline operations, automate manual processes, and scale smarter through AI. And when I saw this announcement from NVIDIA, I knew it was something every business owner needs to understand.
Let me now introduce you to the new DGX.
Because this isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a shift in how we build and run companies. Let's break down what this little beast can do. The DGX Spark delivers a petaflop of processing power. That's 1 trillion calculations per second. It packs 128 GB of unified memory shared between CPU and GPU, so no data bottlenecks. You can fine-tune AI models with up to 70 billion parameters locally and run inference on models up to 200 billion. All of this on 240 watts of power, less than a gaming laptop, and it fits in the palm of your hand. That's a level of compute that used to require server racks, IT teams, and six-figure budgets. Now it's personal. Now it's portable. Now it's possible for you. Picture this scene, SpaceX Starbase, Texas. Jensen Huang walks through the facility holding a champagne gold cube. He meets Elon Musk, hands him the DGX Spark, and laughs. Imagine the smallest supercomputer next to the biggest rocket. Hours later, Starship launches, the most powerful rocket ever built. On Elon's unit, engraved words, "From a single spark, a world of intelligence." 9 years after delivering the original DGX to OpenAI, the same power now fits in a backpack. That's full circle. That's history. So let's make it real. If you're an AI developer or startup founder paying for cloud GPUs, you're probably spending $2,000 to $5,000 a month. This device pays for itself in 3 months and then it's yours. No recurring bills, no quota limits, no data exposure. If you're a university or researcher, this changes the game. Students can run their own AI experiments locally without waiting for shared cluster time. And if you're a business owner, think about the possibilities. Training your own AI models for customer data, HR analytics, or operations, completely private and in-house. That's not just innovation, that's freedom. Here's the bigger picture. We're in the middle of 3 accelerations happening at once. 1, AI compute is outpacing Moore's law by up to 100x. Every few months, hardware doubles in speed. 2, AI agents are evolving faster than we can adapt. GPT-4 in 2023 handled 8 minutes of human work. Claude 3.7 today handles an hour. By 2030, we'll see month-long projects done autonomously. 3, the AGI timeline collapsed. Elon Musk predicts AI will surpass the smartest humans by 2026. Sam Altman says superintelligence by 2030. So what does that mean for you? It means the window to become a first mover is months, not years. This hardware puts you right at the front of that curve. Real people are already doing this. Healthcare teams are building private diagnostic AIs that never touch the cloud. Startups are prototyping AI agents on their desks without burning cloud credits. Content creators are running AI video editors and storyboard generators locally with no lag. Enterprises are handing DGX Sparks to their innovation teams so they can test ideas without procurement roadblocks. That's what democratization looks like, when the same tools used by OpenAI and Google are available to a college student in Africa or a freelancer in Austin. The smart approach isn't ditch the cloud, it's use it strategically. Phase 1, develop locally on DGX Spark. Phase 2, train in the cloud when you need massive data sets. Phase 3, deploy to edge or cloud for production. That hybrid setup cuts infrastructure costs by up to 90% and lets your team iterate 3x faster. One CTO told me, before this, every experiment had a price tag. Now every idea gets tested. That's how innovation actually scales. This is a rent-to-own moment for AI. For years, we've rented our compute power from the cloud. Now we can own it. And that ownership changes everything, from how we build AI employees to how we train automation agents inside companies. When you control the infrastructure, you control the pace. Innovation isn't limited to those who can afford AWS credits anymore. It's for those willing to build and learn. So here's the truth. In 2016, a $129,000 machine helped create ChatGPT. In 2025, that same power costs $3,999 and fits in a backpack. The question is, what will you build with it? A new AI agent? A smarter workflow? A business that runs 24/7 without you? The future isn't coming, it's already here. And this time it fits in your bag. If you want to learn how to apply AI and automation like this inside your business, visit scalethroughautomation.io and see how AI employees can transform the way you work. I'm Wilton Rogers, the automation guy. And remember, systems don't slow you down, they set you free. See you in the next video.